12,000 years ago, there were no farms on Earth. Today, farmland takes up more than half of the world's arable land, which equals a combined landmass larger than South America. But with expected increases in the global population, traditional farming is running out of space. And for as much good as modern agriculture has provided humanity, it's begun to take its toll on our planet. With 15 billion trees cut down each year, critical ecosystems are pushed aside to make more room for farming. When it comes to water, agricultural irrigation systems consume 75% of our fresh water supply, while chemical runoff seeps into our rivers and estuaries. Monocropping depletes our soil of its nutrients, forcing farmers to use increasing quantities of chemical fertilizers. And by the time the typical meal lands on your dinner table, its ingredients have traveled an average of 1,500 miles. That's why a new generation of farmers are turning farming on its head. They believe that instead of growing out, there are a lot of very urgent, very practical reasons to start growing up.